spruce. Got a nice setup right next to it. Beautiful, beautiful day. Billy Ken! Yo. This top and then I'm gonna come down. Over there and take it down a spar. We got a nice face. We're going to do a bore cut. So you just come in. This is called the apex or your hinge. Okay. And then you cut back. You don't quite go all the way through. Okay. And then you cut down here. On this kind of wood, I go about down to here. On an oak, you go about here. Strong wood, just a little lip, or you'll never pull it over. Okay, so before you make that cut, is that where I put a lot of tension on the rope? Or nah, basically this is like so the guy can get away, and then you pull it over. Okay, so you make your back cut. And then I'll run up and help you pull it over. Let's try that. Yeah, you can do it yourself, man. You got it. Got one down. Working for Mr. Joe Yasko over here. Billy Ken. Alright. And we're going to take the second one down here. Using the same technique, we're just going to piece it down. wind wants to take it right to those wires right now. Rip. Pretty good pull. Not gonna make a big mess. Hold him.